to open up a document on Google Classroom to edit it for your assignments. So go to the assignment. It's going to be saved as a PDF. You click on it and it opens it up. You're going to go to where it has the pencil icon, which is right underneath the battery symbol. Click on that. And then on the very bottom, you're going to have your selection bar. You have a square with dots. That allows you to move any text that you insert. You have an eraser. You have like a thin pen, a thicker marker, a highlighter, and then your text box. So for this activity, we're going to use the highlighter to highlight the words to show me that you are picking up the keywords, and you're going to use either the thin pen or the marker to select your answers. So let's go back to the highlighter. You can change your colors. Don't do a dark color for this because then I can't see what you're highlighting. So I'm going to leave it as yellow. The table shows the height of 4 mountains, which lists the mountains in order from shortest to tallest. So I only need to highlight shortest to tallest because those are the most important words. Then I can look at my answers and I can go ahead and write down numbers here if I need to help me figure out the answer. So then I see which one is the shortest and which one's the largest. Look for those names. So the first one should be bear. So I'm going to cross off A because A does not have bear. And then look at letter B, C, and D and choose which one it is. Now for this particular activity, it was kind of hard for me to put that X over the A, so I might want to erase it and just use the thicker marker and just draw a line through my answer so I don't select that one. Find the correct answer, and this one, it is going to be letter C, I believe. So I'm just going to put a circle around C. Then you move on to the next one and you continue to do that. I am going to just show you real quick how to use text in case you have an open-ended question. You're going to click on the letter A on the selection bar on the bottom, and you just click anywhere on your page. Type something. So I'm just going to type in hello. On this one, you cannot change the font or the colors. You just have it the way it is. But let's say you accidentally write it and you put it in the wrong spot. This is when you go back to your selection bar and you come to the square. You go back and highlight, click over where you wrote your text, and now you can drag it to wherever you need to. And you can also make it bigger by using 2 fingers to spread it out or to make it smaller. Okay? So those are your options for when you are working with a PDF. Now the most important thing to remember is that you always have to save it, otherwise everything will be gone. So if you forget to save, you're going to close out the PDF, and you do that by going to the less than symbol that's underneath the time. So I'm going to click on it, and it gives me this message that says discard changes. Your edits will be lost. So you do not want to do that, so click cancel. You want to come to the save. It's really hard to see because it's not lit up, but it's right underneath your battery percent. So I'm going to click save, and it will give you that message where it's saying edited. That lets you know that you edited the document, so it's saving it. Okay, so now it says document saved. I'm going to close out, and you don't see it here on the instructions. You have to come down to assigned, and now this is your work. If you click on it, you notice how it says edited. That's how you know it's yours. So let's say you didn't finish it and you want to come back and finish it later. You just come open it up, go back to the pencil, and everything that you've already done is there. and you can go back and finish up marking your answers, reading it, showing your strategies or your work. And that is how you save things on PDF. Good luck. If you guys need any help, just be sure you reach out to your teachers.